Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, man, this is my market update. Gonna do it a little different tonight, giving y'all my dividend plays that I'm looking at. Alright, man, we're gonna start off with OXLC. Why am I buying this? It pays 9 cents a share monthly dividend. Right now, the market is down. We don't know how long it's gonna be down due to these tariffs and all this other stuff. Um, So I am focusing on cash flow. I suggest people in general focus on cash flow. In this case, this market is down for another 3 to 6 months. At least you get some dividends. Growth stocks are cool, but like I say, man, when you holding them, man, they can't pay no bills. But if you're looking for growth, that's what they for. They growth stocks. Anyway, let's get back to OXLC. 9 cents a share a month. See, got a 52-week low of $4.95 with a high $5.78. The day got down to $5.04. You can set your buy levels at that level. I got mine set at 504, 501, $5 for 100 shares, all the way down to 495 to 480. Just in case it does slip on down there and bounces back. This stock will stay above, always go back above the $5 mark. I mean, I've been trading this stock for a while, for a couple years. Was always one of my go-to stocks. Actually, this stock here is the only one that I don't think ever had a dividend cut. When I first started buying this, it was paying like 6 or 7 cents a share. Now it's at 9 cents a share a month. But I got a PE ratio of 6.26. That is underrated. Market cap 2.06 billion. Dividend yield is 21.32%. I know that is high, but it is sustainable. I mean, they have been sustaining their dividend for years. I think they got a offering coming up or something. And then it has a lot of trade value too. You can see the average trade value 5.59 million. Another stock I'm going to. The other stock I'm going to is YMAX. The Yield Max Universe Fund Option Income ETF right now is at $15.27 in the post market. Made a new 52-week low today. Right now, y'all know the market is down. We know it's bad. So this one and YMAG, which I'm gonna show y'all next, made a new 52-week low. That's why I tell y'all on the Yield Max ETFs, do not load up on them. They are volatile. But they do kick out major dividends. This stock does pay out weekly. That's why everybody likes it. I think once the market turn around, it's gonna go back up to the $17 range. Um, Really all based solely just because it pays out weekly. I mean, a lot of people, I know a lot of investors are going from the growth stock way to the passive income dividend way to the cash flow way now. Especially if they're at a point of their life to where they're trying to retire or trying to really use like the money now, you know. So this is also one I am buying every day. $5 plus a day. Dividend yield 49.68%. Expense rate ratio 1.28%. Average trade value 1.86 million. So that's not bad. This moves kind of quick. Let's go to the next. We're gonna go with YMAG. This is doing options on the Magnificent 7. For people that don't know how to do options, this would be your simplest way, your easiest way to do it. Actually, the ETFs does all the trading for you. You just buy them, and hold them. Some people buy these stocks and trade them before the XX dividend day. But like I say, I buy mine to hold them. You will experience with these YMAG and YMAX wasn't that bad up until now, being that the market is down. But you will experience the price drop on the NAV, net asset value. That's really just the price depreciation is dropping in prices, but you getting the dividends. So for you to really see a win of being up in these, in the YMAG and the YMAX, you can kind of trade it and be up, but on like the ULTYs, TSLY wasn't that bad up until now. MSTY, MicroStrategy. If you take your losses and say you down 23% in that position, and say your 23% is $300, but you done got $450 in dividends. So actually you up $150. That's your total return on everything. So that's kind of how you win on these these ETFs. But you only want to buy these when they are down and you don't want to load up on them. Y Mag and Y Max is one I like. I think they are, a little bit more stable than the other ones. They're less volatile. Um, but this one at 1751 got down today to 1690. But like I said, these things move quick because they pay out weekly. Y Mag, Y Max pay out weekly. That's why I say I don't think they're gonna stay down because a lot of people want that weekly cash flow. They made a new 52-week low. As you can see, 1690. Dividend yield 40.99%. Expense ratio 1.28. Just like Y Mag. And if you watch my daily live trade, you see I do trade that every day. Also, another one, XDTE. I'm going on that. It's another one I like. Pays out weekly. These gonna move because they pay out weekly. That's what make them special. But this one here, as you can see, 52-week low is $48.15 with a high of $53.78. It's coming on down. Just definitely is a nice spot to get in. They do the cover calls on the S&P 500, but just another one I'm giving you. Expense ratio 0.95. Dividend yield I can't say, but it does pay, shoot out nice juicy dividends. I'm gonna have to Google it to find out, or you can Google it, whichever one, and you can get his brother QDTE. This does the options on the I guess the Nasdaq 100. 38.64 is that, got down to 38.25, made a new 52-week low today too. 0.95% PE ratio. Average trade value is not as high as the Y Mag and Y Max. They at the 630K Mac average value as far as trades. Like I said, these are special and famous because they or in high demand, should I say, because they kick out weekly dividends. Y Mag, XDTE, QDTE, OXLC. And I'm going to give you another one I like for today, man. USOI. And it's doing covered calls on crude oil. This is an exchange traded note. I like this one. I want to get involved in oil, but I know, being realistic, I'm never going to own my actual oil company. Will I ever be a partner in like Exxon unless I buy the stock? But this does the options on it. Made a new 52-week low today, $60.44, high $79.25. When oil is up, this play is up. When oil is down, this play is down. I just dollar cost average on in it. Got a dividend yield of 22.39%. Expense ratio 0.85. I like this price. I like it at below $64,000, which is done made a new 52-week low though. But like I said, the market is crashing. This usually, when it's good, it usually hangs around in the 70 something dollar zone. Probably in the last 6 months hit 72, but it's been kind of down since, trading between the 62 and the 67ish mark. But this is another one I like to kick out monthly dividends. Also got to throw to you RYLD. Pays out, but right now I got down to 15.97 today. Put your buy orders in there and put some at 15.85. I brought like 25 shares at 16 even. Dividend yield 11.87%. Pays a dividend to like 16.5 cents a share. Average trade volume 702K. This will go back up to above the 1660-ish mark. It's a nice start for you to swing trade too. Buying it at the 16 and 16 and under, you can make use roughly about 70 cents a share. Hopefully this will go back up in the 17 mark, $17 mark. Then they'll boost that dividend to 17 cents a month. But this is one of my favorite go-tos, to be honest. If I could buy one and just every month and keep it safe, it'll be RYLD. or his brother QYLD. But that's it. Not gonna hold you. Gonna get off here. You can always watch my daily live trades. And I'm gonna give you one more. Just got to give it to you. SPYT is spit. This is another the options on the S&P 500 pays 33 cents a share a month. Average trade volume 153.28K. 52-week low is 1828. The high is 2076. I would pair this to alcohol. That's hard. Spit is also a nice one, man. It's less volatile. So this is another one. You can put this on $1 a day. Recurring, got a dividend yield around 20%. I want to say this one pays 33 cents a share a month. So this is one of my favorite go-to plays too. You're gonna see me buying. But that's it, man. Signing off. Get ready for tomorrow. Go get your money.